Hi guys, it is Jared from Motor Persona and I'm back here with another video on my 2021 Tesla Model 3 Performance. This is a beautiful car and it keeps surprising me with all the different things you can do just directly from your phone. As you guys know, your phone can act as a key. It can also act as most of your controls for trunks, opening the car, making sure Sentry mode is active, and a number of other things. I've learned more over the past couple days about the fact that you can use Siri to control quite a few functions of your Model 3. I'm going to go through today and we'll look at everything that the iPhone can do. I'm sure I'm missing some things out and I'm sure that more things will be added over future, but if there's anything that I have missed that is really easy, really prominent, just let me know in the comments. Be sure, before you watch this video, to give it a like, comment down your favorite feature about the Apple to Tesla configuration, and of course, give me a subscribe, come through, watch all of my other videos. I really appreciate it. All right, so something we're going to start off with is really cool. Hey Siri, what is my car's state of charge?
The charge for your vehicle is at 86%. You should be okay for about 422 kilometers.
This is really cool. I always keep my phone and my car on the percentage. So the fact that it actually gives me some kilometer information as well is really important. So huge thumbs up to that. Okay, so the charging one was quite great, really useful for when you need to duck out really quickly, but you might have a little bit of range anxiety or you forgot to charge overnight. The next parts we're going to go on are quite incredible though. Hey Siri, activate my car's audible signals.
Activate audible signals in your car.
Yes.
Okay, your signals are on.
So as you can see there, it will automatically honk the actual horn for you. Might not be too applicable or useful, but it's a feature that you can ask Siri to actually go ahead and do. So the other part which might be useful in, car shopping centers, or if you don't know where your car is for whatever reason and you need something visual, you can actually get it to flash the headlights. Hey Siri, flash my car's headlights. There we go, it's just flashed. I had to confirm yes and I turned my silencer off, so it will ask you to confirm a few things just in case. The other thing that we can actually ask is really useful for, if you're somewhere late at night, you've forgotten if you've locked your car, but hey Siri, is my car locked?
It's locked.
Fantastic, we know it's locked because the mirrors are actually in. I have it so they actually lock, the mirrors fold in once the car's locked. Something else that is cool is if we're running through, hands are full, or we can't quite access the Tesla app quite easily, we can ask Siri to unlock the car. Hey Siri, unlock my car.
Okay, I've unlocked it.
So as you can see, all of my mirrors folded out, headlights came on, and it gave me a little horn just to mention that the car is now unlocked. And what good is it if you can unlock a car but you can't lock a car? Well, you can do that through the app as well. Hey Siri.
I'm not sure I am.
Hey Siri, lock my car.
Okay, I've locked it.
Look at that magic. And I can check if it's locked if I ever get paranoid. Okay, so there's only really one other command that works with Siri quite well, and I've been able to find most of this information, thankfully, through teslainfo.com. They have kind of a whole list of available commands. It is quite limited at the moment, but the only other thing is you can ask where your car is. Hey Siri, where is my car located?
Here's your car.
So what that's actually done for me is it's brought up a map. It shows exactly where my car is pinpointed, as well as an address. Of course, I can't show the address don't want people coming to my house, but of course it will show you exactly where everything is for your car, where it's located, and all the details of how to get there. Now, one other fantastic thing, it's not Siri related, however, it is something that you can do on your Apple device. You can actually go ahead and search an address. So in my recents, I have Zarafas, a few things like that. But if I search Brisbane, city, and CBD, if I do that, it'll give me my normal things that an iPhone gives. So of course, the distance and a few other things. If I actually scroll up and I go share, I can scroll across my apps and I can send it through to Tesla. What it shows you there is that it's been shared with my car, What V8. Now, the fantastic thing is if I use my voice command here, Hey Siri, unlock my car, all I have to do is come into my car, sit in the car like normal, and of course, as you can see, it's already given me directory of where to go. Anyway, I really hope you enjoyed this video. Be sure again to like, comment, and subscribe. Tell me what I have missed on the car, and if there's any other features that you can't wait for the car to actually adopt. This has been Jared. I'm from the channel Motor Persona, and we've talked about ways that you can use Siri on your Tesla and how it can integrate. I'm really pleased. I'm really excited with how this car actually presents. All of the functionality. It is such a great car. Coming from Audis, coming from Subarus, I just cannot get enough of this thing, and I can't wait to learn more about it in the future. Again, if you have any other video ideas, please let me know. I can't wait to get more Tesla Model 3 performance content out onto YouTube.